Let's take a look at question 10. In question 10, we're looking at how to select a good sample from a population for statistical purposes. All right, so question 10 reads, a random sample of 100 people that will be that would best estimate the proportion of all registered voters in a district who support improvements to the high school football field should be drawn from registered voters in the district at A. So which of these options right here will help us create the best sample for the population? So what is the guideline? What do you want to keep in mind concerning what the best sample is? Okay. Well, this is something that you want to note concerning selecting elements for a random sample. All right. So what do you want to keep in mind concerning random sampling? You want to be as unbiased as possible. All right. Whenever you're looking at a subset of the population, you want to select from an area that is as unbiased as possible. So the less biased, the less biased a sample is, the better estimator, of a population it is. Okay, so you want to try and be as unbiased as possible. So in this particular situation, we're looking for people who are in support of improvements to a high school football field. Okay, so if you look at what's going on here, we're looking at high school and football. All right, so think about the possible biases that can happen. You think about people that are in high school are going to be biased towards this event, right? Either you're in high school or you have a child in high school. Or what if you like football? If you like the game or watch the game, you'll be biased towards the supporting the improvements, right? But we want to be as unbiased as possible. So the area you want to collect your elements for your sample population from should be an area that comprised of people that are not clearly biased to either high school or football or a combination of both. Alrighty? Okay, so let's go over the options that we have here to see the population space that is has the least bias in it. Okay. All right. So for option number one, uh, people at the football game. Well, which kind of people go to the football game? Is people that care about football, or they have people that play the game. So this one is biased because um, you're selecting people that favor the game. All right. So let's see if there's something better. Supermarket. Well, if you take a look at supermarket, is it restricted to high schoolers or people who play football or people in high school who play football? This one is less biased, okay? It's more neutral, and that's where you want to go to get a good sample. All right, so let's just take a look at the other ones. School fundraiser. This is biased because we're taking a look at people that are in school. Okay, so people that are in a school fundraiser have a bias in favor of what you're already trying to do, so they're definitely going to be in support. And then lastly, high school band concert. What do you think about this? Does it look biased to you? Absolutely, you're selecting people that are in high school. So that automatically gives them a bias towards supporting the improvements because they are in high school and they have a favorable view of improving anything related to high school. Okay, so the least biased population area is in the supermarket, and this is the best way you can get a good random sample concerning the data you are trying to collect. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your studies for the upcoming Regents exam, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. If there are any questions that you'll need assistance with or any general questions concerning the Regents in general, just place it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to support you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to the remainder of this review series. Tons of support resources can be found at mathgotserved.com under New York Regents. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.